Does anyone want to open their BARKBOX? Yeah? Does anyone want to open the BARKBOX? Yes? Oh yes. Welcome to Dexter and Emma's October 2022 BARKBOX. And unfortunately, this is their last BARKBOX, but they have so many toys and so many treats, so it was about time that we stopped getting this. But let's go ahead and unbox it. It's a monthly dog toy and treat subscription box. And Emma is a almost 10 years old Chihuahua mix, and Dexter is a 2-year-old Chihuahua mix. So this is the small dog box. And let's see what they got this month. Okay, so the theme, oh my gosh, Dexter is such an expert unboxer. He already took out one of the toys. The theme is Howl-O-Ween Party. So cute. I love the BARKBOX themes. They're always so adorable. And so there are 2 toys here. We've got a Dracula toy. We'll give this one to Emma for now. And then the one that Dexter took out, ooh, super soft, a ghost. And then they get a chew. Oh, they get this type of chew a lot. Oh, but it's beef recipe. Usually they get like a pumpkin flavor. But these little chew sticks. And then 2 bags of treats. So Baba biscuits, lamb recipe. They love all of the BARKBOX treats. Moo Moo links. And then the box is always so cute, and they show all of the different toys that you could have gotten. And my dogs have always loved getting BARKBOX, so they are already enjoying the toys. They do a great job with these quick unboxing videos. So thank you so much for watching this video today. Be sure to like, comment, and subscribe to our channel. And I will see you in my next video.